What's going on, guys? So you've been looking at the core belts and you want to know what they're all about. So I got one here. I saw Core Essentials over at SHOT Show. I traded in my next belt for one of their Core Essentials EDC belts, and I reached out to them a couple of weeks ago, asked them if they wanted to send me out one of their tactical type battle belts with their ratcheting system, and they were nice enough to send that out. So I have one here. We're going to do a quick unboxing. It's the first time I'm opening it. The only thing I did was cut the tape. So just real quick, first thing that's up on top of here, something that they have marked as an optional item, which is actually a hanger to hang the belt up in your closet. Ratchets onto the bottom here, and it's got an Allen key on it as well, which is to secure the buckle to the belt. We got some documentation in here. This looks like my invoice. I'm going to set that aside. Some sizing instructions. So I'm not going to go through all this, but it gives you an idea of how to size the belt. I'll take a look at that in a little while. All right, so there is what looks to be a tape measure in here. So it's all coiled up. I'm not going to undo that right now. And a couple of other little accoutrements. So I'm not sure what these are. This looks like a little wedge, a Allen key and screws. That's going to be for the buckle. And this looks like a belt stay. All right, digging further into here, we have the actual belt buckle itself, and this is a metal buckle. It's pretty heavy. And on the back of it, you stick the belt into here. You latch this down. It's got a little claw on it, and you got your set screws on here to tighten the belt in place once you get it sized. And then here we have the belt. Set this box aside. Sorry for all the crinkling noise. So this is a two-belt system. So let me undo the inner belt first. Sorry for all the crinkling. All right, so you have some loop belt here, and you have a Velcro portion here. All right, so that's going to be to have as your inner belt that goes into your pant loops. And then let's take a look at the outer belt here. All right. So I chose a coyote color, and it seems to be pretty strong and durable, actually. And you have the hook portion here, and it's not doesn't seem like your typical hook. These are plastic. So this is probably a proprietary hook system that goes with their inner belt there. But overall, looks super sturdy and looks like it's going to do well. And I'll get this put together. I'm going to put some AOR 1 pouches on it. Got some branding here. And I'll get that put together, and I'll do some videos with it. So I hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned. I'm going to get this set up, and we'll start using it out in the field.